Yo, got this order as soon as I opened the apps. This is a Black Rock coffee, $10, going 4.5 miles.
Is that for you?
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too. Ooh, I might have gotten baited by the big number. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a Starbucks, $13, going 7 miles, but it is going slightly across the river, which may or may not be a mistake. Stay tuned to find out. Thank you. Okay, this order has the potential of really tilting me, depending on how difficult this drop-off is, because this is going to an Amazon facility, which in itself is kind of annoying, because tons of cars, tons of people. But they said meet them at their pin, and they'll be wearing a specific color vest. Now, I've been here before and have had people tell me similar things, which were complete lies, so we shall see. Well, kind of stuck where I am, because all these flex drivers are filling up their cars with packages. Hello. For Caleb?
Yeah.
There you are.
Thank you so much. Sorry about that parking lot.
Okay, parking lot. Kind of annoying, but we're getting through it. Just a little patience, even though I'm stuck in the thick of it. This next order is bringing me back into my zone. This is a Chevron pickup. I believe it was like $7 going 6 miles. I was just picking up an order for Kayla.
We opened 2 minutes ago.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Guess I can't get lucky on every order. Had to wait for that one to be prepared. I didn't trip, you tripped. Okay, next up is on Earn by Time. Current rate is, I will let you know, because there was peak pay, but I don't know if it's still on or not. But this is a Taco Bell going just under 5 miles.
Hey, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
Wait, what time did we unlock them? No, we unlocked at 7. Here's that drink. There you go.
Thank you. Well, that's annoying. They just tried to give me a really good order that I can't take because they just handed me that food. It was a McDonald's, $9 going like 2 miles. Oh, I just knew it. I should have unassigned that one and taken the good order. No tip on that. Total for that one was $5 and change. And I got the next order right away. This is a Starbucks going 4 miles. Total for that one was $8 and change. Wow, that one was pretty good. Next up is a 7-Eleven. This one is $7 going 2 miles.
Yeah, that's the order.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next order up is Peachtree Restaurant. This one is going just under 3 miles. Total for that order was $6 and got the next one right away. This is a stack, I believe, going to the same person. Got Angels and Seize the Bagel. These are going 4.5 miles. Thank you. Yep, no tip. Total for that was $6. So bad. Got this next one pretty much right away. It is a Starbucks going 2.5 miles. Hand it to customer. Oh boy. Meet at front entry of hospital. Oh boy, I would rather not do that. Okay, there are no cars here, which is a good thing. But I also don't see anybody waiting for me, so that's not a good thing. Yeah, let me figure out which way that is. Yeah, I just saw the sign. Okay, let me drive over. Really glad this was mentioned to me before I got here. Apparently the front entrance is closed, so we're going this way, maybe, possibly. For Alyssa?
Yeah.
There you are.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You too. And that was a no tip. Like, come on, man. Total for that was $5 and change. Next up is a McDonald's. This one is going 4 miles.
Thank you. Sorry.
Total for that one was $8. Okay, see, now that was a good order. That's what happens when you tip. Finally got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $10, going 5 miles, 5 items. Got this next order right away. This is a Black Rock coffee going 1 mile.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that one was $4 and change. Next up is a McDonald's. This one is $9, going 4 miles.
Thomas?
Yes. Thank you. Yep. Have a good one.
Alrighty.
Like the fit.
All right, thank you. I know everybody's like, you're crazy. I'm like, hey, I get in the spirit.
Right? Yeah, you too. Was in the area, so I figured I'd stop by to get some litter. But I think it's time to start heading home, and if I don't get an order, then so be it. Current time is 9:20. Current total is 85, and I think I'm waiting on a couple Uber tips, so I'll throw up the total whenever that comes in. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.